Bring on board our chartists and find out what their view is on the markets. We've got Kunal Bothra right here with us in our studios. Vaishali Parekh as well joining in from Prabhudas Lilladher. Morning and good to have you both on board. Kunal, let's begin with what took place for our own markets yesterday. The fact that you did see perhaps a 3-day gaining streak coming to a bit of a pause. But given the furious rally we've witnessed on Wall Street, what are you penciling in from the 19,400 mark today?
Good morning, Avan. So the good part about the global markets is that it's not just a rally which is happening across the Dow, but the market breadth in the US markets is extremely strong. And I think that's what, we've been looking at the indices, in the subsector indices for the global markets and the US markets. And I think that's been a bit more vibrant. And I think this time around, we could probably expect that this trend would sustain for global indices. Dow Jones has come back above the 200-day moving average. Again, that's a strong sign of confidence for that particular index as well as for most of the other global markets. And I think we are also looking at more of a risk-on phase across various asset classes, whether it's Bitcoin, gold, etc., where many of these asset classes are giving some kind of a breakout. Now, coming to our markets, we've seen a good 650 points rally for the Nifty from 18,800 odd levels to 19,400 plus where we closed yesterday. I think now we could be looking at 19,200 as a base or a support for the index. And my expectation is that in this next leg of uptrend, we could have a lot of different sector participations which could lead the index to inch up higher from current levels. So my near-term targets for the index is closer to 19,800 and stop loss or the support for this range is 19,200.
That's a take as far as the Nifty is concerned. But Vaishali, what about Bank Nifty? Over the last 4 days, we have seen that gains come in almost 1,000-point rally that we have witnessed so far on Bank Nifty. And towards the end of the trading session yesterday, it was the banks that actually pulled the markets higher. Do you expect that momentum to continue today?
Very good morning. Yes, actually, yesterday we saw the latter part of the day, the frontline banking stocks really took the lead. But on a intraday, for a hourly chart, if you may say, on spot basis, Bank Nifty is facing a bit of resistance at 43,750. So once we see a decisive move past that, we would be looking at a continuation of the uptrend towards 44,000, 44,200. So yes, for now, view is very positive, but let's see what happens above 43,750.
Okay, let's